Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at this journal that I finished. The kit is by the Ephemera Gardens, and that's Tessa, and the name of the kit is Summer Days. It's such a beautiful kit. So I have this brown sari silk as a tie. It is a 1 signature tall and skinny. I didn't even count the pages. We'll have to do that real quick. There's the front cover. Just love that bird. So cascading down here we have sunflower. Oh my goodness, I'm drawing a blank. The ribbon. Oh my goodness, unbelievable. Anyways, I did that. I made that. So right here when you open it up, you have a tuck with this journaling card, a nice sorry, I had to turn the fan on. That is a invoice. So we have the beautiful ruffles. Those are ruffles. Another pocket here with a tag. This is a Kansas stamp, a real stamp that's been canceled out that I found in my stash. And here's another pocket. And we put this invoice in here with writing on the back. This is a nice writing journal. Got this a little tuck there for your personal stuff. Beautiful papers. We got another tag here. The B goes with that one there. And we do have, in case you didn't notice, the pockets are stitched in. Some of them. That one's not. But we do have some stitching. Those are stitched. This pocket's stitched. You can see the stitching on the back. All of this is the kit. It's a nice sized journal. Then we come to the center. Look at that center. Is that not gorgeous? The colors are so vibrant. And then here's an envelope held on with a rusted paper clip that I did myself. And we did this in a video. So there's a nice big envelope for your personal stuff to go into. And that goes right there. You have all that writing on there. And then this rusted paper clip, you pull this out and you have that beautiful pickup truck. Can you see all that? Isn't that beautiful? And that just folds right back up there. You have all this writing on the back. And these are rusted paper clips that I did myself. So we got a little rust spot there. You can see this pocket stitched in. You got a little ruffle on there. Little bumblebee. Here's another pocket with another invoice, 1902. Here's another pocket. Got a couple of things in there. Just a little circle. Just something to play with. Here's another pocket. This one's stitched in. We have a couple of things in here. A letter from 1912. And a tag. So there is the beautiful journal. Let's count the pages real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, There's 11 pages. And then we just tie it up with this. I didn't have any yellow, but this journal is available for purchase. If you're interested, you can just email me or private message me on Instagram or Facebook. And my email is down below in the description box. This could use a little bit of an iron, couldn't it? Open these up some. So I hope you enjoyed that journal. And then the information below to purchase the kit is down below. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks, y'all. Bye.